The Pi network is expanding. It launched the Pi ad network. This is a big step for the Pi ecosystem. It allows developers to make money from their apps. It also strengthens the Pi network. This is a win-win for everyone involved. The Pi ad network is a new way for developers to earn money. They can now show ads in their apps. This is a great opportunity for developers to generate revenue. It is also a way for them to support the Pi network. The Pi ad network is a sign of the Pi network's growth. It shows that the Pi network is maturing. It is also attracting more developers. This is good news for the future of the Pi network. The Pi network is committed to its users. It wants to make sure that they have a positive experience. The Pi ad network is designed to be user-friendly. The ads are not intrusive. They are also relevant to the user's interests. The Pi ad network offers many benefits for developers, making it an attractive platform for those looking to monetize their apps. One of the biggest benefits is the opportunity to earn revenue, which is crucial for sustaining and growing their projects. Developers can earn Pi by displaying ads in their apps, providing a steady stream of income. This revenue can be used to support the development of their apps, ensuring they can continue to innovate and improve. It can also be used to fund other projects, allowing developers to expand their portfolio and explore new ideas. Another benefit of the Pi ad network is that it provides developers with access to a large and engaged audience, which is essential for app success. The Pi network has millions of users worldwide, creating a vast potential user base for developers. These users are active and engaged, making them more likely to interact with and support the apps they use. This gives developers a great opportunity to reach a large audience with their apps, increasing their chances of success. The Pi ad network also helps to create a more sustainable ecosystem for Pi apps, which benefits everyone involved. By providing developers with a way to generate revenue, the Pi ad network makes it easier for developers to create and maintain high-quality apps, which is crucial for long-term success. This is good for developers, as it allows them to focus on what they do best, creating great apps. It is also good for users, who benefit from a wider selection of high-quality apps to choose from. The Pi ad network is a valuable resource for Pi app developers, offering tools and support to help them succeed. It provides them with a way to earn money, reach a large audience, and create more sustainable apps, making it an essential part of the Pi ecosystem. The Pi ad network is designed with the user in mind, ensuring that ads are not only effective but also enhance the overall user experience. It offers a variety of ad formats that are both effective and user-friendly, catering to different user preferences and app environments. These ad formats are designed to be non-intrusive, ensuring that they do not disrupt the user's interaction with the app. They also blend seamlessly with the user experience, making the ads feel like a natural part of the app. One of the ad formats offered by the Pi ad network is banner ads, which are a popular choice among advertisers. Banner ads are small, rectangular ads that are typically displayed at the top or bottom of an app's screen, making them easy to notice without being obtrusive. These ads are designed to be unobtrusive, allowing users to continue using the app without interruption. They do not interfere with the user's ability to use the app, maintaining a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Another ad format offered by the Pi ad network is interstitial ads, which provide a more immersive advertising experience. Interstitial ads are full-screen ads that are displayed at natural transition points within an app, such as between levels in a game or during a content break. They might appear between levels in a game or after a user completes a task, providing a momentary pause that can be used for advertising. These ads are more prominent than banner ads, capturing the user's full attention for a brief period. However, they are still designed to be engaging and non-disruptive, ensuring that the user remains interested without feeling annoyed. The Pi ad network also offers video ads, which are highly effective in capturing user attention. Video ads are short, engaging ads that can be a great way to reach users with a more immersive ad experience, often leaving a lasting impression. These ads can be displayed before, during, or after an app's content, providing flexibility in how they are integrated into the user experience. They are designed to be relevant to the user's interests, ensuring that the ads are not only seen, but also appreciated by the user. The Pi ad network is designed for easy integration. Developers can easily integrate the Pi ad network into their apps. There is comprehensive documentation available. There is also support to help developers through the process. The integration process is straightforward. It is designed to be completed quickly. Developers can start earning revenue from their apps right away. The PiAD network provides all the tools and resources that developers need to get started. The PiAD network team is committed to supporting developers. They are available to answer questions and provide assistance. The team is constantly working to improve the PiAD network. They are making it even easier for developers to integrate and use. The PiAD network is committed to providing developers with a seamless experience. They want to make it easy for developers to monetize their apps. They are providing them with all the tools and resources they need to succeed. Section 5. Growing the Pi ecosystem. The PiAD network is a major step forward for the Pi ecosystem. It represents a significant leap in how the network aims to integrate various applications and services. It is a key part of the PiNetwork's plan to create a more robust and interconnected network of applications and services. By fostering a collaborative environment, the PiNetwork aims to bring together developers and users in a seamless digital ecosystem. The PiAD network will help to drive the growth of the Pi ecosystem by providing developers with a new way to monetize their apps. This new revenue stream is crucial for sustaining long-term development and innovation. This will encourage more developers to create apps for the Pi network. With more developers on board, the variety and quality of available apps will significantly increase. The PiAD network will also help to improve the quality of Pi apps. By offering financial incentives, developers can focus more on refining and enhancing their applications. By providing developers with a way to generate revenue, the PiAD network will make it easier for developers to create high-quality apps. This financial support is essential for continuous improvement and innovation. This will lead to a better user experience for everyone. Users will benefit from more polished and feature-rich applications, enhancing their overall satisfaction. The PiAD network is a win-win for everyone involved. It creates a symbiotic relationship between developers and users, fostering a thriving digital community. It is a win for developers, who now have a new way to monetize their apps. This additional revenue can be reinvested into further development, driving continuous improvement. It is a win for users, who will benefit from a wider variety of high-quality apps. The increased competition among developers will lead to better and more innovative applications. And it is a win for the Pi network, which will continue to grow and evolve. The network's expansion will attract more users and developers, creating a positive feedback loop. The Pi network is committed to building a better future for its users. Through continuous innovation and community engagement, it aims to create a sustainable digital ecosystem. The PiAD network is a key part of that commitment. It represents the network's dedication to providing valuable tools and resources for developers. It is a sign of the Pi network's commitment to innovation. By continuously introducing new features and improvements, the network stays ahead of the curve. It shows its dedication to creating a more sustainable and equitable world. The Pi network is not just about technology, it's about building a better future for everyone. Section 6. Understanding the Pi network. The Pi network is a mobile-first cryptocurrency. It is designed to be accessible to everyone. It was founded by a group of Stanford PhDs. Their goal was to create a cryptocurrency that anyone could mine on their smartphone. The Pi network uses a unique consensus algorithm called the proof-of-work algorithm. This algorithm allows users to mine Pi on their smartphones without draining their battery life. The Pi network is also designed to be energy efficient. The Pi network is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is also a platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps. The Pi network is still in its early stages of development. However, it has already achieved significant milestones. It has millions of users worldwide. It is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Section 7. Recent developments in the Pi network. The Pi network has undergone significant developments. These developments are shaping the future of this innovative platform. One of the most notable developments is the launch of the Open Network. The Open Network launch was a major milestone for the Pi network. It marked the network's transition to a more open and decentralized ecosystem. This move has opened up new possibilities for developers and users alike. Another significant development is the introduction of Pi domains. Pi domains allow users to create their own .pi domain names. This has paved the way for the creation of a more decentralized internet, where users have greater control over their online identities. The Pi network continues to evolve and expand its capabilities. These developments are a testament to the dedication of the Pi network team. It also shows their commitment to creating a more inclusive and accessible digital future. Section 8. Pi Network Milestones. A legacy in the making. The Pi network has achieved remarkable milestones in a relatively short period. These achievements demonstrate the project's potential. They also show its growing influence in the cryptocurrency space. One of the earliest milestones was the launch of the PiNetwork app in 2019. This marked the beginning of the Pi network's journey. It allowed users to start mining Pi cryptocurrency on their smartphones. Another significant milestone was the celebration of Pi Day on March 14th. This annual event brings the Pi community together. It celebrates the progress made by the Pi network. These milestones, along with many others, have shaped the Pi network into what it is today. They serve as a reminder of how far the Pi network has come. They are also an exciting glimpse into the future that lies ahead. Section 9. Join the Pi Revolution. The Pi network is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a movement. It is a global community of individuals who believe in the power of technology. They see its potential to create a more equitable and accessible world. If you are not already a member of the Pi network, we encourage you to join the revolution. Download the Pi network app, start mining Pi, and be a part of something truly extraordinary. For developers, the Pi network presents a unique opportunity. It is a chance to be at the forefront of innovation. You can build the apps of the future and shape the future of the decentralized internet. Embrace the Pi network's potential and unlock a world of possibilities. The Pi network is building a brighter future for everyone. Join us and be a part of it.